With the vigorous development of drone industry, standards are getting increasingly complete. The Drone Unique Product Identification Code has become a compliance requirement in many countries and regions. CRID Drone Unique Product Identification Code Broadcasting Module, designed based on China, EU, and ASTM Drone Identification Code standards. Support DroneCAN bus and UART serial communication. Adopt high-performance dual-core MCU, breakthrough performance boundaries. Compact size, easy for installation. When used in conjunction with CUAV controllers, it can realize the tamper resistance and broadcasting of the drone unique product identification codes. Has long-range broadcasting ability and wider coverage. It can cooperate with LGC to set and analyze broadcast data. The firmware code of CRID is hosted in open-source codebase, enabling secondary optimization and development. CRID supports ArduPilot and PX4.